I hope you and your taste buds are in for a treat today. The recipe that I'm sharing with you is a chicken bacon bubbly bake. It is amazing and it reminds me of home. It's just something that just is comfort food. And it's cheesy, it's gooey, so let's head on over to the kitchen and get started on this. That way you and your family can share in this amazingly delicious dish too.
You will need 2½ cups diced chicken, 1 can biscuit dough, 1 cup cooked and diced bacon, 1 can cream of chicken soup, 3 green onions chopped, 1 cup of sour cream, 1 tablespoon of ranch seasoning, and 2 cups of cheese. And I am using 1 cup of cheddar and 1 cup of Monterey Jack. You will want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees and then start your prep work of cutting your green onions, your bacon, and a few other things that need to be cut up for this recipe, including shredding your own cheese if you wish. I like to shred my own cheese just because I think it melts better, but you can use pre-shredded. You want to dice up your chicken. I'm actually using some chicken that I had prepped earlier on in the week, but rotisserie chicken would be great in this recipe. It also was canned chicken would work as well. You're going to want to take a 9x13 baking dish and spray that down with some cooking spray. And then in a large bowl, you're going to want to place your diced chicken, your 1 can of cream of chicken soup, your 1 cup of sour cream, and your tablespoon of ranch seasoning, half of the green onions, reserve half for later, and then just give that a good stir and make sure everything gets nice and mixed together. Then in another bowl, you are going to place your cheese, the rest of the green onions, and your cut and crumbled up bacon. Give that a nice stir. Just make sure everything is mixed in there nice and well. And then we are going to cut our biscuits. I demonstrate that I cut it in 4s, but I actually find it worked better if I cut it into 6 or 8. You don't want the pieces too large. Into the baking dish, you want to lay these down in a nice even layer. You don't really want to pile them up. You just want to cover the bottom of the pan. Once that is done, you're going to take the chicken mixture and you're going to place that on top and you're going to spread it out evenly over the top of the biscuits. Just make sure it's a nice thin layer. Then this is going to go into our preheated 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes. And then 20 minutes later, you're going to take that out of the oven. And then you're going to top it with the cheese and bacon and green onion mixture. Back into the oven that is going to go for another 15 minutes. And when it comes out, it is going to look just like that. It looks amazing, and just check that out, guys. Doesn't that look delicious? It's making me hungry. I don't know about you, but I think it's time to give this a try and eat.
Alright, now it's time for my favorite part, taste test time. I cannot tell you how unbelievably amazing my kitchen smells right now. It smells so good in here. I wish you could smell it. We need to invent smell-o-vision. This hits all the right spots. It's got the chicken, it's got the bacon, it's got that creaminess from the soup and the cheese. The green onion adds a little bite. Oh, this has just got amazing flavor. It's so good. You simply have to try this one. I can't say enough good things about this recipe. It is phenomenal. Please make this one, and if you do, leave comments below and let me know how it turned out for you. That would be awesome. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. That would be amazing because I have a lot more great content where this came from. And if you click up over here, I have a few more videos for you to check out if you want to make more delicious food like this. And as always, I hope you all have a fabulous week, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.